Welcome back guys, my name is Amir and in this episode I want to show you how to create a film eye effect. Here guys, add the adjustment layer. Here from effect tab guys, search edge detect and add it to your adjustment layer and follow my settings. I want to change color, and for this add tritone. You can add yellow too, some deep yellow. Okay guys, here guys I want to remove background, and for this from effect tab add linear color key. Okay, everything guys is ready. Here I changed Terac Mate to Alpha Mate. Nice guys, thanks for watching. You can change fire element for best result you work.